Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this video, we're going to talk about the future tense versus
ir a.
plus infinitive. The future tense is used to talk about things that will happen, but you might have also learned
Ir a.
plus infinitive can be used to say things in the future that are going to happen. These are both used in Spanish and can overlap. The only real difference is that
Ir a.
plus infinitive is more often used with the immediate or close future, while the future tense can be used with the more distant future as well. Let's look at some example sentences to illustrate this.
Hablaré con ella mañana. Voy a hablar con ella en un momento. Comeremos ensalada para la cena. Vamos a comer ensalada ahora. Ella escribirá el informe esta noche. Ella va a escribir el informe después de la reunión. ¿Quién saldrá a las 6 de la mañana? ¿Quién va a salir en 10 minutos? Ellos harán sus tareas mañana. Ellos van a hacer sus tareas después de la cena.
The choice between these will often depend on the person speaking and what they are meaning to say. Notice both express future actions and might even overlap. Here's a chart to help, though, for some principles on general usage as you're learning. To review, we can use both the future tense and
Ir a.
plus infinitive to express things happening in the future. They can both be used in many of the same contexts, but there might be times one is preferred over another.
Ir a.
Plus infinitive might be used for things perceived as in the near future, while the future tense is also used for things in the more distant future. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write some sentences in the comments section practicing what we talked about in this video. Thanks for watching. Gracias.